They have taken you through the journey of introducing robotics to you. That it means I bear no such responsibility at this current moment. The only responsibility I bear is let us plug and play. It is a responsibility that says you have been given all the skills you require. All we ask of you is let us apply them now. Yes, I understand that it's true. Getting resources as schools, it's a very difficult thing. But that should never mean to us that we aspire to continuously struggle, such that even in our trainings, we don't want to train with resources because we think we will always struggle. What then happens the day when we have the means to get resources? Are you going to ask for another training? That can never be the case. Aspire for the day in which things will go in accordance to your dreams.